I got this motorcycle right here. It is a 2004 KX Kawasaki 450. Good add-ons for it, right? Pipe. Felt like it was a pretty good deal. I got it for 1,600 bucks. Big catch because it won't run right. It will bog out, like mid-throttle, bog out. So what I think it is, it's either going to be that the person I bought it from, he's a close friend of mine. So he was just tired of it. Like, hey, you have 1,600 bucks, cool, come get it type of a deal. All right, he was like, hope you figure it out. It's either gonna be an air fuel mixture issue or the accelerator pump circuit that I'll have to get figured out. So I'm gonna start with the air fuel ratio and kind of go from there. This one actually has this right here. It's the air fuel screw. So we're all the way in, and I feel like it was all the way in, which makes me wonder. I'm just twisting it, and then I'm gonna put a helmet on and go ride it and see if I just scored the best dirt bike of my life, or if I'm gonna have to spend some time researching how to fix it. So I'm gonna put the lid on and let's check it out. Sometimes it's that easy. Oh, fuel line's all. Let me get some new fuel line on there. It's cut in. Oh, that might be an issue too. No freaking way, dude. Well, that's how you fix a dirt bike. I'm not gonna post this. I got it for 16. I'm about 1,700 into it. And this bike in this shape should probably sell for around 22. So this is the fuel line too. I'm going to be replacing it. I noticed on the test ride that it was leaking, and you can see, maybe you can see, it's totally cracked out. You might be able to see right there. Come on, 4K. 4K, show it up. I just realized I'm wearing a cat unicorn getting ridden by another cat. I swear I'm a functioning human. Yeah, but it's all cut and torn, so I'm gonna put a new fuel line on, and I don't know what the issue was. I really think that I should have tried to thread it in, but I twisted the wrong way. I'm pretty sure that was threaded all the way up, so it was running super rich. I don't know, I went wide open throttle multiple times now. I just should have recorded it before, but I didn't want to get it hot, and then I should have recorded it, but mid-throttle would just be like, gah, gah, gah. Just like that. No, it just bogged down. So, I don't know. We'll put a new fuel line on it too, and then that's it. That's all it needs. So that's a win of a lifetime. So the dirt bike is gone. But at this point I was expecting to be doing a money spread, laying out all the money, showing everybody how I made 200-300 bucks. But I didn't. There is a plot twist to this whole saga. I was trying to sell it for cash, but it's in the middle of winter in Idaho, so dirt bikes fluctuate. I had found a Chevy HHR that needed a clutch that I had actually been looking at, because it's turboed, 260 horsepower, decent shape, needed the slave cylinder and clutch. Those are 200 bucks. So I actually ended up trading the dirt bike for it, getting the $200 clutch, about $50 in oil change and other fluids that I needed. And now I have a fully functioning Chevy HHR for about 2,000 bucks roughly. I can outsell that, I can drive it, I can do anything. I can drive it around my neighborhood and make noises with a turbo. If you want to watch an HHR video, that's going to be going live soon. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys would do a trade like this, or if you would just hold out and try to sell it for cash. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good one.